If you are facing the problem of ED means erectile deficiency. If you are facing the problem of strength or male infertility, nowadays they are growing rapidly. Men have issues of timing, of strength, potential. I am here to tell you the easiest way to resolve this problem by herbs. We will only deal with herbs. I will tell you only 4 things, just 4 things which can treat your problem of timing, your strength, your potential, and your stamina. These 4 things will increase these 4 vital things for men. The first one is poppy, khashkhash, poppy. And the second one is clove, cinnamon, and zest. These 4 ingredients, just these 4 ingredients, for the rapid increase of timing, strength, stamina, and potential. Note up the quantities. Poppy, you have to take the poppy 25 grams, clove just 10 grams, cinnamon 10 grams, and zest 50 grams. These 4 things, only these 4 things, just mix them and make a powder. You have to take only 3 grams, it means half tablespoon daily before you take your dinner with a cup of milk. It will resolve the 4 issues I have told you: timing, strength, potential, and stamina. Take care.